Okay, this is a wee video of Inverpolint Lodge, the view from the house. Coming out the car park, unfortunately the sun's in it all. Try and move into the shade of it. All of it in the house in any case. This is going into the very last bedroom, which is Jimmy Bogan's and I's. It's a very nice bedroom. Obviously 3 beds in it. Right, out the last bedroom. And out the hall now we have Scott. Hello Scott.
Who's on these? Have you got everybody in these beds?
No, there's one spare bed in here.
Is it? Right.
Yeah.
Me.
Good up.
Okay.
Grand. I've got that one there. Jimmy Bogan's got that one there.
I don't mind where I am.
No problem. Hey, alright Davey, I'm just having a wee video of the house here, just having a wee look at the place. Another bedroom. Hey! Cupboard on the right, big cupboard. In the corner, and we're into the drying room.
That's right, smallpox on the door, don't go near it.
2 important chest freezers there, life jackets. That's for the salmon and the sea trout, if we're lucky. Back in the hall, left again. Hello Stuart, say hello to the camera.
You're on film.
What have we got in here? Oh, another bathroom. Somebody's had a dump in there, I think. A bit whiffy. Back again. Entrance hall, or one of them. This is the most important room in the house. Davy Bennett's beer. I think he's got enough there to do him a week. Bunch of alcoholics here, I think. Not that I'm going short myself. Another fridge. No. Funny enough, that was the first thing that was mentioned. That was Davy Bennett's Jukers. Into the kitchen. Superb kitchen. How are we doing here? Nice wee salute there.
Yeah.
Oh, your head's calmed down a wee bit.
Is it?
Yeah. Not quite like a Swan Vest as it used to be.
Thanks very much.
Lovely big range cooker there. About 6 burners in it. Big hot plate. Grill. Very well equipped kitchen. I don't know what that is. I think that's a dishwasher, I think.
No, that's not. That's a cool box.
Is that a cool box? Alright, okay.
So they didn't put any dirty dishes in it.
Right, no dirty dishes to go in the cool box.
Well, they might be.
Right.
Aye, in the fridge. Yeah.
Back to the front again.
How you doing?
I'm going to go upstairs here. I'll not go up the stairs because there's just another 3 bedrooms here and another couple of shower rooms.
Should have really happened that way.
Right. Excuse me now yet. Have we been in here? Not been in here yet, no. Another nice big room. It's a dining room. Very well equipped again. Wee hatch here for the kitchen. Through there, for there's another couple of bedrooms through there. Right. Sitting room. Very pleasant. Very pleasant. Some nice wee pictures on the wall. Nice pigeons up there. Huh. Only problem I have, we'll need to try and keep Davy Bennett away from the deer at the bottom of the garden. He might actually wring their neck. It's a wood burning stove there. Superb. We do with that in that hut. Window seats, another couple of seats.
It's on the landline.
From here, we've got a superb church benches. Stag up there. Table tennis. Pool. Well, that's awkward, mighty plate stacks. Hello there.
Okay, so if you want to shut your phone, I'll see if it comes through, yeah? Right, okay.
Oh, there's also a darts board. I haven't noticed that before. And look, see it out the window. I don't know if I can see it or not. Oh yes, I'm going to try and zoom in there, just in the field there. There's a lot of deer. I can hold it steady enough. Now, right above there, the wee peak at the top there, that's stacked poly. And what the rest of them are, I've not got a clue. Right, I'm going to call that at the end there.